Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig with a rainbow!
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing! I start with her eyes. I draw her nose. Then the shape of her head. Her 2 ears, one here and one there. I draw a circle for her cheek. And her smiling mouth. I draw her body, her arms, and finally, I draw her 2 legs. And now, the magical moment! The rainbow behind her! So cool! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with Peppa's skin and I use this pink marker. Now I use light pink for her cheek, red for her dress, and now let's color the rainbow. Red, orange, Yellow. Green. Blue. And purple. Amazing! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!